Unveiling the best diabetic breakfast ideas. Starting the day with a nutritious breakfast is essential, especially for those managing diabetes. A balanced morning meal can help regulate blood sugar levels, provide sustained energy, and set a positive tone for the day. In this article, we will explore some of the best breakfast ideas for diabetics, focusing on nutrient-dense, low-glycemic options that are both delicious and satisfying. 1. Oatmeal with berries and nuts. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option, and for a good reason. It's rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. To make oatmeal diabetic-friendly, opt for steel-cut or old-fashioned oats rather than instant varieties, which can have added sugars. Top your oatmeal with fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, which are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Adding a handful of nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, provides healthy fats and protein, further helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Benefits: high fiber content, low glycemic index, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. 2. Greek yogurt parfait with chia seeds. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Create a parfait by layering the yogurt with chia seeds, which are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Top with a small amount of fresh fruit, such as berries or a sliced kiwi, and a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes for added texture and flavor. Benefits: high protein content, rich in probiotics for gut health, contains healthy fats and fiber. 3. Avocado. Toast with eggs. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast choice, and it's also a great option for diabetics. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Choose whole grain or low-carb bread to increase fiber intake and keep the glycemic load low. Top your avocado toast with a poached or scrambled egg for added protein, and season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or herbs for extra flavor. Benefits: rich in healthy fats, provides protein and fiber, low glycemic load. 4. Smoothie with leafy greens and protein. Smoothies can be a convenient and nutritious breakfast option, but it's important to choose the right ingredients to keep blood sugar levels stable. Start with a base of unsweetened almond milk or another low-carb milk alternative. Add a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are low in carbohydrates and high in vitamins and minerals. Include a source of protein, such as Greek yogurt, protein powder, or a spoonful of nut butter. To sweeten your smoothie naturally, add a small amount of low-glycemic fruit, like berries, or a slice of green apple. For an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s, toss in some chia seeds or flax seeds. Benefits: packed with vitamins and minerals, high in protein and fiber, can be customized to suit personal tastes. 5. Vegetable omelet. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious breakfast option, providing high-quality protein and essential nutrients. For a diabetic-friendly omelet, load it up with non-starchy vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. These veggies are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. You can also add a small amount of cheese or lean protein like turkey or chicken for extra flavor and satiety. Cooking your omelet in a non-stick pan with a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray can help keep the fat content in check. Benefits: high in protein, low in carbohydrates, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. 6. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option that's rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. To make chia pudding, mix chia seeds with a low-carb milk alternative, like almond or coconut milk. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, allowing the seeds to absorb the liquid and form a pudding-like consistency. In the morning, top your chia pudding with fresh fruit, a handful of nuts, or a sprinkle of unsweetened cocoa powder for added flavor. Chia pudding can also be sweetened naturally with a small amount of stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Benefits: high in fiber and omega-3s, low glycemic index, can be prepared in advance. Conclusion: a healthy breakfast is crucial for managing diabetes and maintaining overall well-being. By choosing nutrient-dense, low-glycemic foods, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying breakfast that supports stable blood sugar levels and sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you prefer oatmeal, smoothies, or savory options like avocado toast and vegetable omelets, there are plenty of diabetic-friendly breakfast ideas to explore and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips, and let us know your favorite diabetic breakfast ideas in the comments below. Remember, a balanced and mindful approach to eating is key to managing diabetes effectively and enjoying a healthy, vibrant life.